Okay, question 8. It says individuals, this is obviously ABO blood typing. It says individuals 2-4 and 2-5 just had an identical twin girls. List the possible blood types that the infants could have based on the information in the pedigree. So let's go track these guys down. 2-4, that's this individual right here. So if we take a look at their particular genotype, they must have, because they're B blood, they have to have an IB. And if you take a look at their mom, she was little i's. That's all that could have contributed to that boy. So we know that individuals 2-4 must be heterozygous B blood. Okay, and the female, she is 2-5. So that's her. She's A blood, so we know she must have at least a IA allele. Her other allele, that's a little bit more challenging to take a look at, but we can figure it out. If we take a look at this, we can see that, look at her parents. Okay, so they had parents that were A and B parents. So we know that the A came from this father. What could have mom contributed for there to be an A offspring? And we know that he must have contributed a little I. If we thought he was IB, that's all he would have contributed. There's no way that you could have just an A baby then. So we now know that he must have a recessive allele for O blood, and that's what he contributed to that offspring for her to have A blood in the first place. So now we know that this must be a little I. Okay, now that's a little tricky for some students. So like I say, if I went over that too fast, just give me a email and we can go over that together. So now we're going to look at the possible blood types. Now, we do know the genotypes now of both parents. There's no doubt what those genotypes are. So we can use a punnet if we want. So let's put her down the side, isolate hers into gametes, isolate him into gametes. Let's pop them together and see what kind of blood type we would have here. Here's an AB. That's one possibility. Let's put this one here. IB little I. There's another possibility. B blood is a possible blood type for those two parents. IA little I. A is a possible blood type. And look at this. Little o, O blood is a possibility. So this, the possible genotypes for these two parents would be AB, A, B, or even O blood. All four are possible with these two parents. Okay, any issues, give me an email. Thanks.